Hello, my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. My name is Moon, and I've got a fun little unboxing for you today. Ta-da! It is this little package, which I ordered from Etsy, and it is another Louis Vuitton dupe. It's an SLG, and I forget the name of the seller, but I will link it down below and also put it somewhere on the screen so you know what it is. But I was looking for some dupes lately, and I recently did a wallet unboxing on my channel, and actually I have the wallet right here. It's this Damier Ebene inspired wallet, which if you want to see my full unboxing, it is on my channel, and I'll also try to link that below. But this is a gorgeous item, and I wanted to order something else. Again, this is inspired by Louis Vuitton. It doesn't have the Louis Vuitton logo on it, but it's an item of its own. It's got a style of its own, and I was kind of curious about it. So I'm really excited and nervous to see what this item is like. And I'm just gonna pull it out. It's right here, wrapped in plastic. Ta-da! Here it is. Look, can you see that? Do you see that like faux monogram print in there? Again, inspired by, not a replica. And at the top, you can see there the double zip. So look at it, it's kind of a unique item. That's what made me curious about it. So I'm just gonna dive right in and see, what is this about? How big is it? And oh my God, okay, well, it feels actually really nice. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! Look at this, it's like a little wristlet, and it's got the double zipper. Now that's what interested me about this particular piece, and I liked the print on it, which you can see again is LV inspired, but totally something of its own, which also made me excited about it. But I don't own anything with the double zipper. I know Louis Vuitton has some pieces with that double zipper, and actually I've never really been drawn to those items, but when I saw this, and again I saw it at that more affordable price point, I thought it would be interesting to order this and check it out. So let's take a look here. The zipper detail, that is so freaking cute. Look at that. I just love that. That's beautiful. And I also love that there's this feature there with the wristlet. The zipper's nice. There's this plastic in there. Ooh, and there's like this nice soft, like suede-y kind of interior. It's not suede exactly, or maybe it is. I'm not so good with fabrics, but it's a chocolatey brown interior, and it's really nice size. Look at that. I mean, that's really nice. And here on this side as well, same interior, just a simple little item. But, you know, you could use this, again, as a little purse or something. I mean, I think it's just adorable. You could use this as a pouch in your bag, but then also be able to carry it as a clutch like so, which is so nice. And again, the double zipper just gives it like so many different functions, right? So I'm just gonna kind of pack this, but before I do that, let me go ahead and take out my measuring tape because I forget the measurements here. So I'm going to go ahead and measure this beauty. So it's about 7.5 inches in width and about 5 inches in height. And the width here at the bottom, there's a look at the bottom, is around 1.5 inches or so. But I think, you know, if you fill it up, it's obviously going to be wider, right, when you put items in there. So let's dive in, shall we? But before we do that, let's look at the print too here, a little close-up of that. How cute is that with the hearts right there? I just love that. I think it's really pretty. And I just love, you know, that brown Louis Vuitton color and just the playfulness of this print without breaking the bank. And again, I'll put the price up too somewhere so you can take a look at that. But I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this item. I just think it's so pretty. So let's see, if I was gonna pack it as a bag, I don't have all my SLGs around me, but let's say I wanted to use it as a little clutch. Here is my card case. This is in the monogram print. It's authentic Louis Vuitton. Just really, really beautiful. I love it with the fuchsia color. And so I've got my cash and cards in there. So let's say I throw that in there. And ooh, that fits in there like tons of space, right? So I got that in there. And I would definitely need my inhaler. This comes up in almost every video. And I'm putting that in the other pouch. Again, I'd have to mess around with this to really see how I would do this. But here is my PM cosmetic pouch in the Damier event print. Love this half moon shaped beauty. So let's say I wanted to take lip gloss with me, throw that in there, and my key clay, let's say I wanted to throw that in there. I am recording with my phone, but I definitely think my phone could fit in there and would be fine, but I'm gonna grab like hand sanitizer right now, throw that into the other pouch, and maybe some hand cream and Tylenol, a hair tie, also lip gloss. I love this. This is from Just the Goods. It's this vegan lip balm, and it's cardamom, and I just love, love, love their products, love the scent of this. So I'm gonna throw this in there as well. And I'm just trying to push it a little bit just to see what we could get in here. So let's see if I wanted to get a mask in here. That tucks right in. And then I have my round coin purse in the monogram print with my earbuds in there for my phone. So let's say I wanted to try to fit that in there. Oh my gosh, it is going in. It is totally all fitting in there. And I'm zipping that up now with quite a few items in this particular pouch. Just trying to get it zipped up. Oh my God, look at that. That is very cool. That is so, I just think that's so cute. And again, it's like a completely unique item. I just don't have anything like this. This band right here, I'm gonna say, it's really, feels good quality, feels a bit stiff right now. I think it's gonna soften with use, but there you go. I'm able to fit in essentially what I could fit into a, small purse. I can get all of that in there, and I will on the screen let you know if my iPhone 11 also fit in here just fine. I would probably have to take out an item or two, but I am really digging this, and I am just so floored by the quality here. I mean, I think the craftsmanship here is awesome. So if I take out the, let's say I took out the small round coin purse and maybe just put my earbuds in there like that, and then I'm just gonna shift a couple of things around so we don't have as much of a bulge. Okay, there we go. I'm laying things flatter, and that actually is better. Okay, so you Tetris things around and then they fit in much better, but this feels so like soft and mushy, like you can really get a lot of different stuff in here and use it in a variety of ways. If I just toss that into my Never Full here in the Azure print, you can see relative to this, it can fit obviously very comfortably into this big old bag that I still totally love. Love, love, love. I need to do an updated review on this bag. But thank you so much for watching my unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed it. This is such a unique item, and I will do an updated review on it as I spend a little bit more time getting to know it. But if you enjoyed this, please give me a like and subscribe. I would love to have you follow me, and I will be doing some other dupe unboxings and also some updated reviews of my authentic Louis Vuitton pieces. I own about 25 or so Louis Vuitton SLGs and handbags. I think I've got about 10 handbags or so, and I just love it. I haven't done a whole collection review of them, but I also want to do a review of the dupes and do some comparisons between the authentic stuff and the dupes, because this is a whole new world that I'm learning. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Have an awesome week, and I'll see you in the next one.